introduce you real quick to my man, Devin Norcross. So I have been working with Devin since I very first got into business. Like back in 2008, I was working in this broker shop, and Devin he came in and he would do lunch and learns for our office about credit. And at the time, I really didn't know much about credit, man. But over the years, we've developed a relationship and helped, I mean, literally hundreds of clients together. I trust him with my life. You know, I've talked to him about personal stuff, and all my clients, I say, hey, you need to call Devin. You know, we've worked together forever, and he'll shoot you straight. So I just wanted to just give you mad props, brother. I can't say enough about what you've done for my clients, and ultimately putting food on my table by helping me close clients that are in bad credit situations. And I've seen you pull off some crazy stuff, and I've also seen you say, hey man, there's nothing I can do to help this client. You know, you've always been just super honest and transparent, and you know, you want to get people in a program, and not everybody's in a position where they can afford the program, and you've always been very honest about that. And I just wanted to say thank you, man, and let everybody see your face, you know, that Devin is a real person, and maybe just give me a quick second on what you do, brother.
Yeah, thank you very much for the introduction. It's always been a pleasure to work with you, considering one of my, you know, very good friends and work partners. I like to really broaden the spectrum of tool sets when it comes to fixing credit. So a lot of what I'm doing is debt negotiation work. We're negotiating with collection agencies to pay a reduced amount, getting those items removed off credit reports. We're settling repos, settling tax liens, settling judgments. We're writing letters to the credit bureaus to contest accounts. We're helping clients identify who in their space might be a good candidate to be added to as an authorized user. Can we piggyback another positive account instead of opening up a new one? What are creative ways we can take high interest rate debt to low interest rate debt? Are there zero interest cards available on the market we can balance transfer to? Automotive refis. A lot of people don't look at the automotive refis as a way to increase their debt to income ratio. We've got great lines, banks and credit unions we refer clients to for automotive refis, some significant gains in that space. So it really depends on what we're doing, what the client's needs are, but it's all for the same goal, which is procure a loan or decrease their interest rates. And with that, we're here to help. Any of your clients have questions, you know, they'll filter through Marshall. He can usually handle them. If he doesn't, come to me.
That's cool, brother. And once again, I just want to say thank you for all you've done for my clients over the years, man. Stay in the good fight, brother. And, you know, Devin, anybody needs any help, I'll have Devin's info somewhere. You guys feel free to reach out to him.
Thank you.